Hello students, we are studying structure of sperm. Sperms are also called as spermatozoa. Here spermatozoa are the seeds of animal. So spermatozoa are the male gamete from which the new gametes or the male gamete unite with female gamete to produce the new generation. So truly it is called as seed of animal. That is the meaning of spermatozoa. Sperms are haploid male gamete. They are microscopic. They are the only moving cell in the human body. Size of sperm is about 60 micron in length. You can see the diagram of sperm. It is elongated structure divided into 4 parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. Head part mainly consists of nucleus. Nucleus is of course haploid structure, as it is gamete, it is haploid, it contains half number of chromosomes. On the upper part of nucleus, on the proximal part of nucleus, you can say on the head of nucleus, a cap-like structure is present. It is called as acrosome. Acrosome is made up of Golgi complex. Acrosome, it contains mainly lytic enzymes. Lysis म्हणजे breakdown. It contains the enzyme which can break down the other living material. There are two types of enzymes present in the acrosomal cap. They are hydrolyzing enzyme and proteolytic enzyme. Proteolytic enzymes are mainly zona, lysins and corona penetrating enzymes. These enzymes are very necessary for penetration of sperm into the ovum. When male gamete enter in the female gamete, this acrosomal cap, it secretes the enzyme which help the sperm to attach to the ovum and break the wall of the ovum. Okay? This is the head. It is followed by another small part, that is neck. You can see these two circular structure. One structure is just below the nucleus. It is the proximal centriole. And the another followed by the proximal centriole is distal centriole. Proximal centriole, it play important role in the cleavage of the zygote. And distal centriole, it forms the axial filament. You can see from the distal centriole a long fiber-like structure, blue color fiber-like structure is originating. It is called as axial filament. So distal centriole is the origin of axial filament. Then the next part is middle piece. Middle piece is the elongated part. It contains this axial filament which has originated from distal centriole and mitochondria. But mitochondria are not plain. These mitochondria, they are coiled. About 10 to 14 coils are present in the middle piece. Since they are coiled, they are called Nebenkeim, means the coiled structure of mitochondria. And all of us know that mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. They produce ATP energy. Here also, mitochondria, they produce ATP energy which is necessary for the movement of sperm and the activity of sperm. That energy for the movement of the sperm is generated here in the mitochondria in the middle piece. So you can say middle piece is the generator house of the sperm. The next part is tail. From the middle piece, it starts a long tail. It is the longest part of sperm, tail. Tail region along with middle piece and head, you can see it is surrounded by a membrane. It is surrounded by a plasma membrane. That plasma membrane is not up till the end. Last part of the axial filament is without the plasma membrane. That part is called as end piece. And the larger part of the axial filament which contain plasma membrane is called as main piece. So tail has two parts, main piece or principal piece and end piece. Okay, so these are the two parts of two mainly structure which are contributed in tail. So head, neck, middle piece and tail. This is the structure of sperm. And these sperm are produced in the testes inside the seminiferous tubule by the process of spermatogenesis, isn't it? You should remember it. These sperms, once they are produced in the male body, they are given out from the male duct, they are given out from the penis into the vagina. When the sperms are produced, they are viable for 72 hours. 72 तास ते जिवंत राहतात एकदा तयार झाले की. बट दे आर फर्टाईल. ते फर्टिलायझेशनचं काम मात्र फक्त 12 ते 14 तास करू शकतात. 10, 12 किंवा 14 तासापर्यंतच ते फर्टाईल असतात. त्यानंतर ते ओव्हमला फर्टाईल करू शकत नाही. Millions of sperms are produced at a time from both the testes in male body.